Today, I'll show you how to remove your saved credit card details from your Agoda account. If you've ever used your card on Agoda and allowed the site to remember your details, but now want to clear that information for security or privacy reasons, this walkthrough is for you. We'll go through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. First, make sure you're logged in to your Agoda account. This is important because you can only manage your payment details from inside your personal account area. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and open the Agoda website or app and log in using your usual credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see your account area or your profile picture or initials somewhere near the top of the screen. Now that you're signed in, look for your profile icon. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the page if you're on a computer, or in the main menu if you're using the mobile app. The icon might be a small picture, your initials, or a generic user symbol. Click or tap on that profile icon, and from the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your account profile page where you can manage your personal details and settings. Once you're on your profile page, scroll until you find the section labeled Payment Methods. This is where Agoda stores and manages your saved cards and related settings. Take a moment to look for a setting that refers to saving your credit card information. You should see an option that says something like Saved My Credit Card Information. When this option is turned on, Agoda is allowed to remember your card details for faster checkout in the future. To make Agoda forget your saved card details, you'll need to disable this option. Go ahead and turn off that Saved My Credit Card Information setting. Depending on the interface, this might be a toggle switch that you click or a checkbox that you uncheck. As soon as it's disabled, Agoda will automatically remove your stored card information from your account. You usually won't need to confirm this in a separate pop-up, but if you do see a confirmation message, just approve it to complete the change. After you've turned off the setting, give the page a moment to update. If you want extra peace of mind, you can refresh the page or navigate away and then come back to the payment methods section to verify that no card details are still visible. Keep in mind that after you remove your saved card information, you'll need to enter your payment details manually the next time you make a booking. This adds a small step to checkout, but it also increases your control over where your card is stored, which many people prefer for security reasons. And that's it. You've now cleared your saved credit card details from Agoda by turning off the option that allows the site to store your information.